Welcome to my Bellware gang, and today we are gonna be living in Brookmere. Yes, we are in Brookmere cause guys, in Greenville it got so hot last week and it was like too hot. We have to move basically, and it's still hot in here but not as hot. So anyways, I got my brand new car dirty cause I went through a road trip through grass basically. So I'll just have to clean up this mud in the car wash, but first I gotta get my friend because his car got dirty as well. We are looking forward to get our cars washed at the car wash. Yes, at the local car wash in Brookmere. So we're going there right now. I'm not trying to go fast though. I'm not trying to get around anything. So, yeah, let's get there. Oh! Oh, my bad. That was just a faulty system. Anyways, we're gonna be hitting up our buddy over here. Why is it getting so cloudy all of a sudden? Alright, anyways. Yo, what's good, bro? What's good,
Hi, Beluga.
Your car is really dirty. You wanna go get it washed at
I know.
wash?
Yes.
Alright, let's go. Looks like you recovered your
Let's go.
mail. Alright, so it's a good thing that car wash is like a few miles from here right now. So we're just gonna be going there. Okay. We're just gonna follow the road down here right now. I don't know why it's getting so cloudy. Do you have any idea why it's getting cloudy?
I don't know.
Okay. Well, I'm getting a message on my phone right now that it's gonna get like really cloudy for some reason because I think there's gonna be a storm or something. It's saying. I mean, I don't believe that though because it is literally summer. There's no storm happening anytime soon. I mean, it was just sunny a few minutes ago though. Yeah, I don't still believe it though. Like, it's hot outside, so let's just hope no storm pops in. We did hear on the news though that people started buying stuff from the grocery store frequently. I don't know why, but we don't got no food anyways, so we're gonna buy some food from the grocery store. So yeah, anyways, we're driving to a car wash right now to get our cars washed. Alright, we're gonna turn right over here. Alright.
Sammy.
Alright, well, we are now gonna hit the car wash. Let's wash our cars. Alright, so we're gonna choose the premium option. Nobody goes with basic. Alright, we're gonna have to take a full-on bath with this car, so let's go ahead and do that. Alright. Whoa, my car is like pink right now. I think it's like putting food on or something. Alright. Getting our car washed real quick here.
My car is pink too.
Yeah, that's the phone. Put your car in neutral, okay? You should not be getting so close to my car. Alright, so let me just get my vacuum cleaner. I keep it in my trunk. Let's just kind of vacuum up my car, because it's like really dirty from inside, you know. There's like chip crumbs and everything, stuff like that. Alright. I kind of made my game smoother now. Damn, your car is still dirty? Or is it my game broken? Yeah,
Wait, what?
I think
My car is not dirty.
it kind of looks dirty to me now, but I think the game is broken.
I don't know.
Greenville developers, can y'all fix this, please? Does it look clean to you?
Yes.
Okay, I think the game is like a little buggy. Anyways, let me just vacuum my car real quick. Alright, get it between the seats. Alright, I got all the crumbs that was inside. Anyways, let's go to the local store and let's like grab some food or something.
Okay.
Alright. It's gonna be right over here at our right. Okay. So max speed is here 30 miles per hour. Okay. Now where is that local store that we talked about? Oh, I think I see it. It's like right over here on the left. Alright, there we go. Let's just park over here. Alright, there we go. Let's lock our cars. Alright, let's grab the food. Damn, there's like not many people here, and looks like the stack is almost empty. We gotta get all the stuff. I think something's happening really soon. Oh my god, I just got a notification on my phone. There's gonna be a massive sandstorm. Oh my goodness, that cannot be good. Okay, grab everything. We need the hot sauce. We need burgers. We need those ice burgers. We need those to-go burgers. Alright, there we go.
Grab meat.
Yeah, grab meat. Alright, I'm gonna grab some cereal boxes over here. Okay, I'm pretty sure we got everything. Alright.
Okay, I'm done.
Okay. Let's go now. We gotta hurry to our homes. It is getting really bad and cloudy outside. I think it's about a sandstorm. Alright, come on, follow me. Oh my god, I think we should hurry up a little bit. Stop cutting me, dude. Last time you broke my fender, bro. Alright, just make it up here. And oh my god, guys, my car is shaking from this storm. I think it has started. Oh my god, guys, my car is shaking, literally. Oh my god, I cannot keep my steering wheel still. It's really shaky out here right now, but we're just trying to get to our homes. Okay, I'm pretty sure, oh my god, I forgot where our home is. Where did you go, left or right?
I don't know, I just go.
I forgot where my home is. I'm gonna try left. Oh my god, it is so shaky right now out in this weather. Literally, alright, let's just get there as soon as possible. Ooh, it's shaking. Okay. I think I went the wrong way. Oops.
I go to my home.
My bad. I think I went the wrong way. Help me out here. I don't know where my home is.
Okay, where are you at?
Wait, I think oh my god, I lost myself. I think I went the wrong way again.
Stop here, I'm gonna find you.
Okay, I think I know where I'm going right now. I think I'm going the right way now. Alright, so I think I remember this. Maybe I remember this. Oh wait, yeah. I think I found myself. Yo, I found the house. I think. Yeah, I found the way. Yo.
Okay.
I almost got lost though, but I found the way to get home. Alright, thank God. I could have been lost there. It is so shaky. Unfortunately, I'm gonna have to leave my car outside. It is like shaky and I don't have time to park it inside. Let's just go in there quickly. Oh my goodness, guys. It is literally loud outside right now. We're literally getting news right now that it's sandstorming right now. Oh my goodness. I hope my car is okay at the end of the video. Anyways, we're gonna wait for this sandstorm to stop and we're gonna see what happens later. Alright. Oh my goodness, it is a brand new day. We survived the storm, but I hope my car is also... Wrong door, damn it. I hope my car also survived the storm. Oh my goodness, it is dirty as hell. I just washed it like yesterday. Oh my god, I gotta wash it again, man. Dang. Alright, let me get the scrub. I'm gonna visit my friend later to see what he did. I mean, what's his car in shape right now. Alright, my car is clean now. Let's see his car. Ignore that. This stupid steering wheel doesn't work as well. Yo, Andrew! Andrew!
Who's this?
Yo, it's
me,
bro. Your car is dirty.
Oh,
Your car was
my
dirty
god, no.
from last night. Let's wash it.
Okay.
Let's grab the sponge. Let's scrub off the
sponge.
Dirt. Alright, your car is clean now.
Oh yeah, I see.
Man, that storm was massive, not gonna lie.
Oh, I see.
Alright, anyways, we're ending the video right now because yeah. We didn't put anything else in the script in this video, so we're ending it here. If you like this video so far, please like, comment, and maybe subscribe if you're new to the Bella War Gang. We'll see ya in the next one, and peace.